'69 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe, Marina Blue over white, fully restored. Date correct, 427 cubic inch V8, not the factory. It didn't come with a 427. We're not claiming it did. It's date correct, meaning that it was built in that era or when a '69 engine would have been built, which usually would have been somewhere between October and September of October of the previous year and September of that year. So October of '68 to September of '69. It would have fallen into that data. Tremec TKX 5-speed manual, 12-bolt 373 True Track posi rear end. Striking color combo. That Marina Blue is really a beautiful color. It really is. I mean, it's a show and go, right? And that sounds cliched.
I say it all the time. I love it. I try not to use it too often in the descriptions, but show and go is a great way to.
Yeah.
A great description.
Well, and you got to get past what I used to do a lot. I would always say, runs and drives great. It's like, can you be a little less specific?
I've now thought of 67 different ways to say runs and
drives great. Yeah. It's interesting because we try to be as brutally honest about cars without making them. I could scare you away from just about any car. If I showed you every little teeny rock chip in a big magnified picture, it would look like the car was destroyed. And it's not. A lot of it you can't see with the naked. You can't see if you're standing 5 feet away.
That's right.